Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter GPRO CHK. So the Twitter bulls, nice follow through. Big breakout, but we did see profit taking. This upper Bollinger Band clearly giving the bulls trouble 3 days in a row. But we had a strong move. As soon as we broke the double top, that's the signal at 2024 and 2021. So after 2024, we got all the way up to 2088. Potential 64 cents of upside, multiple percent. That's about 3%. Nice gains to the upside. But this is a bearish reversal inverted hammer, and after seeing so many green days in a row, we need to be cautious up here. If we see a break of the low of 2017, we will likely confirm this bearish reversal candlestick, and then we will look for some normal healthy consolidation. Anything above 1941, the low of the last consolidation, will keep the bulls in full control going forward, so that's what the bulls are going to be looking for. The weekly time frame is rejecting from the upper Bollinger Band, another reason for that pullback and profit taking from the highs of today. But all in all, still a very strong candlestick. And again, we're in a range here with a lack of resistance. I'm looking up after 2088, which we hit. I'm looking at 2110 and then 2150 psychological. GPRO, look at that profit taking. What did we reject from? That old 50-day moving average resistance. Huge pullback. 828 was that high. We ended up pulling back about 2% from that rejection. A big bearish reversal candlestick. We're looking down at support of $8. $7.92 and $7.89. This 50-day moving average, we did close over at one time, but other than that, it has been a gift for the bears. So weakness, lots of profit taking. If we see consolidation in the market, we will likely break $7.89, and then we're looking at $7.75 after that. GPRO continuously rejecting from the middle Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame. So that is not even in play really today, or I should say tomorrow for the rest of the week. So that's going to stay resistance, and we'll continue monitoring that. X on the daily time frame. The high up here was 2450, 2448, a little bit of a double top, but that's an inside bar on the daily time frame to be watching tomorrow. If we break 2450, we'll be looking for continuation for the bulls up to 25 psychological. If we see a break of 2379, the bulls need to form a higher low compared to 2291 to keep the higher low pattern intact for those bulls. On the weekly time frame for X, we have a nice break and a back test. So we back tested and bounced off the 200-week previous resistance, now support, and then saw continuation to the upside. That's a good sign for the bulls, and watching the middle Bollinger Band resistance next week. CHK, bearish reaction today to the natural gas inventory report. Oil pulled back as well. So we have a lower high pattern, very much intact. We rejected from $5 psychological resistance. Anything under 514 is just another lower high in this pattern, and now we're following through with that. Close at the low of the day suggests weakness and momentum to the downside. Support is 470, followed by 462. So lower high, and now we will look to form a higher low compared to 442. Tightening pattern on the daily time frame still intact. Weekly pattern still rejecting from exponential resistance. We were getting close there. Bulls could save it tomorrow, but the way momentum is heading, more likely than not, we see another rejection from these exponential resistances. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in over the weekend and see how it plays out. Caution on Twitter with that big upper wick of profit taking. And let's see if the GPRO Bears can take over for the end of the week.